Well, hello again, guys. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine. So we are going to make some Freshies today. This is the Freshie that I had made already yesterday. Oh my God, this little thing just came out to be so cute. Now it's a set. If you guys want to buy the actual Freshie molds, I will put them on my website. If you want to buy them as a set, I will put them together as a set. If you want a set, just let me know in the comments and I'll just leave it as a set, or I'll separate them. Guys, this is the paint that I'm going to be using. This is some Apple Barrel matte paint. So all of the paint that I'm using either came from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. I rarely order paint from Amazon. The reason why is because sometimes they come and it's like really dried out. And I had this paint for about 2 years. So I like to get it from Walmart. I could always, take it back if I don't like it, or just open it up just to see what's going on in the inside of the bottle. So that's why I like Walmart instead of getting it from Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and trace around these lines. And that's just the whole entire mold, because whenever you trace around a mold, you just bringing it out, adding definition and causing it to look 1,000% better. So I'm going to speed this video up because I'm just going to trace around the whole entire mold. Now this mold was pretty easy to do because all of the lines came out pretty straight. For the most part, I did press on it on accident. I wasn't thinking, I just touched it. And so I saw those spots where I pressed down, and those spots had like little indents. But for the most part, the only thing that I'm going to change next time I make is the mica powder that I put in the mold first. It didn't work out too well. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my orange. And now this is a neon color orange, okay? And I'm using all neon colors today, by the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint my floaty. I'm going to do my floaty pink and blue, okay? So I'm going to do it. Now, when it comes down to the belly, I'm just going to use Mod Podge. I don't want to paint it white. That's because I'm putting glitter over top of it. And this is some ultra fine white. I believe it's like snowflake glitter, okay? So I'm using that on the belly part, the feathers, and at the top of the head. And I learned early on it was better to use the Mod Podge anyway because it don't show up in the background. So if I use a different color, for instance, I don't have to worry about it being white in the background or blue in the background. So the Mod Podge, to me, I think it kind of disappears. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap a little bit of the glitter into the head. I'm trying my best not to get that glitter anywhere else, like around the glasses, because I know that the black has dried just a tad bit, but I just don't want to get it on there, okay? And if I do, I just wipe that spot off and I may go over it. But for the most part, try to put your glitter on as you see that paint is completely dry. All right, so I'm noticing that I have a little feather over here that I didn't take care of. So I'm just putting a little bit of Mod Podge in that feather. Now listen, when it came down to doing the Freshies, I started selling them. I started going out to vendor markets selling Freshies. The Freshies are very time consuming. It's fun to make them. It's very relaxing. But if you get 100 orders, think about it like this. If I get 100 orders for this particular Freshie, oh, how miserable I would be sitting at the table trying to paint 100 of these. Now, I do see people do it all the time. But for me, myself, I just prefer not to. So I am finished touching up this little wing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some glitter to it. I started to leave it blank and just put white and just say, okay, that's it. But you know me, I had to be extra. I want to put that white in any space that I can. One thing I can say about this mold, you can do so much with it in terms of color. I showed you in the beginning, I had the one with the bow. So it's really a boy and a girl, but you don't have to actually make it a boy and a girl because I use pink on the floaty. So, it's just totally up to you. I print these at home myself. So when you support, when you buy the mold, you're actually buying it from me. So you're supporting me. And I'm so grateful for every sale. Now, for the Patreon members, we're going to have a sale. I'm going to make the molds $7, and it's going to be like a hot 24-hour sale. And you guys just have to give me the patience to get them all shipped out. Usually take me like a week to finish with everything because I work on it diligently. I usually get a whole lot of orders at one time. Now I'm just going in and filling in this blue. As you guys can see, this floaty is pink and blue. I like it. I really like it. I love the duck. The only thing is, when it came down to the end of making this duck in the glasses, I was just kind of mad because I could not find my silver. And guys, you ever lose something and then when you're not looking for it, like you just walk straight past it and you're like, oh my God, here it go right here. So I'm just going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys finish watching me paint this lovely Freshie. And in the end, I'm going to show you guys the final product.